Kajabi is an all-in-one platform designed for creating, marketing, and selling online courses, membership sites, and digital products. Here's a beginner-friendly guide on how to use Kajabi. Sign up for Kajabi. Visit Kajabi and sign up for an account. You'll be prompted to select a pricing plan that suits your needs. Set up your website. After logging in, navigate to the website section and select a theme. Kajabi offers various customizable templates, so you can easily design your website without coding. Create your first product. Go to Products and click Create a new product. You can choose from different types of products such as courses, coaching programs, or membership sites. Add content like videos, lessons, quizzes, and PDFs, depending on the type of product. Customize the sales funnel. Kajabi helps you set up automated sales funnels. You can build opt-in pages, sales pages, and checkout pages in just a few clicks. Customize your messaging to match your branding and offer. Set up payment. Integrate your payment gateways under settings to receive payments for your products. Launch and promote. Kajabi offers email marketing tools to help you engage with customers. Create email campaigns and use Kajabi's built-in marketing automation to promote your courses.